little artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we are drawing a little chick. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a little chick, and this chick is for Easter. I hope you like this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. We're gonna need for this lesson a pencil and a marker. We're gonna start with a pencil, and the first thing I'm gonna do is the head of this chick. So we're gonna do a big half a circle, and I'm gonna start on the left side, and I'm gonna go up, and I'm gonna go around, creating my half a circle just like this. And we're working with pencil because a half a circle sometimes can be tricky, and we want to try a couple times. So once you're happy with your half a circle, we're gonna leave the pencil aside, and now we're gonna change to the marker. The first thing I want to work on is the wings. So we're gonna do here a big U shape and then a small U shape. On the other side, the same thing, a big U shape and a small U shape, okay? Now we're gonna do the bottom part, and we're gonna leave a little bit of a space open on the bottom. So I'm gonna go from here a little bit in, and I'm gonna turn in a curve like this. And now on the other side, the same, curve down, and I'm just gonna leave a little bit of a space open because I wanna do more like a straight line right here. Okay, now we're gonna do the little feet, and we're gonna do 1, 2, and 3 U shapes, and on the other side the same, 1, 2, and 3 U shapes. Now if you want your chicken to be a girl, we're gonna do a little bow here. If you want your chicken to be a boy, we're just gonna trace the line like we have it. So let's do the bow by doing a circle. And on each side, we're gonna do a curve that goes up and a curve that goes down, and the same thing here. Now we're gonna close this bow by doing another curve that connects the two lines, just like this. And to finish my bow, I'm gonna do a line inside on each side. Now we can join the line from the bow to the wing, and the same thing in the other side. Okay, now that we have this part, I can erase the lines that I have left with pencil inside the bow. Okay, let's continue with the face. Now we're gonna do the peak, and the peak is gonna be here on the center, kind of like at the same height of the wings. And I'm just gonna do a little line, and then I'm going to do a half a circle on top of that line, and a half a circle on the bottom of the line. Now for the eyes, I'm gonna do here a curve, and on the other side the same, a curve. On top of these lines, we're gonna do a half of oval shape. It's gonna look like this, and like this. And I wanna do a little circle on the top left. In this circle, we're gonna leave it white because it's gonna be the highlight of the eye. And now we're gonna color with black around it. To finish this little chick, we're just gonna do a couple hairs here underneath the bow, and we're gonna do 1 and 2 U shapes right underneath. And there, that's it. We finished this little chick that is an Easter chick. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my little chick turned out. I really like the coloring part, and I used 2 tones of yellow. The first one was light, and the other one was a little darker to do this part down here so it looks more fluffy. I leave here a little bit of white so it gives them a little bit of a shine in the head, and it also makes it look a little bit more round. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.